Hey everybody, it's Lynda Falconer with www.crafterinspired.com. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I wanted to show you one of my favorite things from the New Occasions catalog. This is called the Made to Bloom card kit, and this kit has a beautiful acetate box. Inside are 12 cards that I have made from the kit. I think it might have taken me 2 hours tops one evening to make them. They go together very quickly. So this is something perfect for a brand new stamper or someone on the go that needs to just take a project with them somewhere to work on. Or if you're an experienced stamper, sometimes you just like something quick that you can have cards ready to go without having to spend all day on them. So this is the perfect solution for that. The acetate box can be used separately. You could put a little gift in there or just store your cards in there as you use them, or give it as a gift with the cards inside. It would be a beautiful gift. So let me show you a little bit of what I did, and of course I can't ever do it exactly like the directions say. So I did a couple of changes that I kind of liked. So I thought that might give you some ideas also. We'll take this Calypso Coral card. I simply stamped the sentiment. And I'm going to use just tape runner adhesive to attach it to the front of the card. And there's a little bit of a space on the top and the bottom, but you're going to see how quickly these go together. And it's just a matter of putting the pieces together. We've got that, and then we're going to use dimensionals to put the flower shape on top. And I'm pretty generous with my dimensionals. I like it to be pretty sturdy. A little hint yesterday, if you're having any trouble getting those dimensionals off, you press in the center with the fingernail. It makes the sides pop up and they're a little easier to get a hold of. So just press in the center and you see how that pops up? Makes it really easy. And, whoa, I think I covered up my sentiment. That's all there is to it. Isn't that great? Now I did something just a little different. They have white pearls in the kit, which is beautiful, but I wanted to try pulling out some of that gold. So let me show you the other card I have here. See how I used a little gold metallic pearls instead. They're in the annual catalog. Easy peasy. And another one, and I went a little crazy with the pearls on that one, but that's all the difference. The only thing I did different, so makes it pretty easy. All right, now let's look at the next one, and that's the little happy birthday. So I stamped just a little happy birthday to you, and in your kit, you're going to get a clear block, and you're also going to get the Stampin' Spot for Blackberry Bliss, which is this ink color. So everything you need is in there except for tape runner. They even have dimensionals in there for you. And then the little piece has run away. Let me grab it. It goes in this one. It's just the little wreath. And I just used dimensionals to put that all the way around, and you are done. That is pretty easy. Now, I did kick it up a notch using the gold pearls instead of the white pearls. And I've also put on some of these, I don't know if you can see it, I used a little glitter. It's called Wink of Stella glitter brush. And I just used that pin right there on the inside of the flower. It doesn't show up easily in these lights, but it just gives it a little sparkle, which added to it also. And on this one, I added just a little touch of Calypso Coral ribbon right there in around the wreath. And that one, it was a thank you card. Easy. One other thing you've got to see, look at the envelopes that come with it that are coordinated with each of the 3 different cards. Aren't those beautiful? And you don't even have to do anything. That's already done for you. And this is the one that goes with the Calypso Coral card. Pretty? Really adds a little touch of elegance. You hate to send such a beautiful card in a naked envelope, so we like to to fancy up the envelope. And there's lots of ways to do that. Here's the envelope for the third card. And let me put that one together real quickly just to show you how fast it is. Simply take my stamp, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment here, and that's in the Blackberry Bliss. And according to their directions, they used, I think they used just regular tape on the bottom banner. So I'll add that. And I like to off-center it just a little bit. And then your flowers are going to go on top just like that with dimensionals. And again, I added the pearls, and I added the gold pearls and a little bit of Wink of Stella glitter right here in the center of the flower to give it just a little extra shine. So let me show you the finished cards for that particular style. And they are right here. I've given a few of these away. I'm sorry I don't have all of them to show you. But this is one with the gold pearls just as an accent. And then I added a little bit of the Calypso ribbon on the side. And this one, I turned the card around. I cut the top off so I have another little piece that I can use for something else. And then I'm going to finish adding pearls. I think I won't add pearls. I added 2 pearls at the top, so I think that's plenty. And then I just used a pearl on the largest flower. So this is a great little gift or something to have on hand when you need cards quickly. And it's a fun, no-brainer kind of a kit. It doesn't take long to make it. There's what all of your cards are going to look like when you're finished. So there is a special I want to tell you about. There is, or was, a card kit in our celebration prizes. It's called the Precious Parcel Card Kit, and it was so popular that it has completely sold out, so you cannot get it anymore. I'm going to do a free drawing for anyone who has placed an order between now and March 10th, so that gives you a couple of weeks. So anyone who's placed an order, their name will go into the drawing. For every $50 you'll spend, your name will go into the drawing, and one of you will win this card kit, which is no longer available. So take a look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I like the envelope, and then it has another little card holder, and inside that goes this beautiful little flower with room to write on. So there's room to write on the card, which opens up, and then there's also room to write here on the pull-out. So that'd be cute to stamp a little sentiment on the pull-out. Comes with some embellishments, and I think you're going to be very, very pleased. See, here's another little embellishment that goes on the kit. So this is something very special that's not available anymore. So all you have to do to get into the drawing is make a purchase $50 or more, and you'll get something free from your celebration choices, but you'll also get into a drawing for the card kit. Now, a couple of little things that are coming up. I'm finished with them. I just need to get my videos made, but I wanted to show you some of the other freebies that you have choices of. One of them is the Hello Cupcake, and this is a stamp set, and here is a little project that I made with the Hello Cupcake, which I'll be showing you. And the other one that I have handy is So Happy Together, and I've made a set of note cards. They are just darling, and I'll make a video and show you these. But these little note cards are easy to make with the So Happy Together, and that's another freebie when you purchase $50 or more in my online store. If you have any questions, you can email me. It's Lynda at crafterinspired.com. Lynda is Lynda. Or check my blog out, which is right here, crafterinspired.com, and all my contact information is also there. If you're ready to get some freebies during celebration, you can shop at my online store, www.lindafalconer.stampinup.net. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you are excited about the kit. It's called Made to Bloom. The item number on that kit is 148537. So if you purchase the kit And some of the other embellishments that I used. Let me see if I can show you what that was. I think if you purchase the kit, and the kit I think is $27, so you would need to add maybe some dimensionals. You could add your Wink of Stella pin for $8. You could add the pearls, and those are silver and gold. I think those were just $6.50, so that helps a little bit. And maybe a stamp set or ink or adhesive to get you up to $50, and then you could get your free Hoppy Together or Hello Cupcake, and there's lots of other choices that you'll see there. I'll spend some more time on celebration ideas and choices next time, but thanks for coming by.